it's a bird. No, it's a plane. No, it's just your girl DreloBayBay trying to get to Viva Las Vegas. If you haven't already noticed, I am about to touch down in Las Vegas, aka Lost Wages, aka Sin City, aka whatever happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Alright, with that being said, here is a video I did of the Vdara Hotel. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright y'all, before I get into anything, let me get into the location. If you look on the map right here, you'll see right in the middle, Bellagio, Caesar's Palace, all that good stuff. Well, Vdara is actually right next to Bellagio. So if you look here, see the arrow right there, y'all? Yeah, that's where Vdara is. So it's right next to Aria and the Cosmopolitan. So if you know where one of those are, you cannot miss Vdara. I promise you, it is right next to Aria and Cosmopolitan. Speaking of Aria, as soon as you get to Vdara, you look outside, this is what you're seeing. Aria is right there, literally just right across from us. Vdara offers valet services, but if you're looking to self-park your car, you have to go ahead and do so in the Aria parking structure. So once you walk into one of the main entrances into Vdara, you're going to see a Starbucks, and you're also going to see a Market Cafe Vdara. This is what their menu looks like. Right next to the Market Cafe Vdara, on your left-hand side, you're going to see the vice versa patio and lounge where you can order drinks and just relax. And I do want to mention that the current mask mandate in Las Vegas is that you need to keep your mask on at all times, whether you're vaccinated or not. Now, if you look closely here, there are two sets of elevators. The one on the left goes from floors 2 through 29, and then the one on the right goes from 29 through 56. Now you just have to pay attention to what room you have because certain elevators will not go to that floor. So just make sure you look before you go on the elevators. Now this is the other main entrance, and if you are valeting your car, most likely you will come in through these doors. On your left hand side is a bell desk, and if your room is not quite ready, then you can go ahead and drop your bags off there and they will hold on to it until your room does become available. This here is Vdara's front desk. This is where you're going to go to do your check-ins, your checkouts, and it does get a little busy during the check-in and checkout time, so I recommend you go a little earlier or a little later just to avoid all the lines. Also, for your convenience, they do have a QR code that you can scan for the property map. Alright, so now you got your room keys and you're about to go to your floor. Now, before you go to your floor, as I mentioned before, make sure you pay attention to which elevator you need to take in order to get to the floor that you need to go to. Now, the spa, salon, and fitness are on level 2, and then level 3 has your pool and lounge. Here's a list of services they provide. Now, if you're looking to unwind and relax, I definitely recommend this for you. Let's just say they had your girl feeling all brand new, okay? If you haven't already noticed, Vdara does not have its own casino. If you're looking to relax, this is definitely the hotel you want to book. But if you're looking to have a little casino fun, do not worry. Aria, Bellagio, and Cosmopolitan are just right next door. I like how everything is not too loud and crazy downstairs because we don't have a casino, but yet if we do want to go to a casino, it's just right there. Alright, so here goes the room tour. As soon as you go inside, there is a bathroom on the left-hand side with a sink and a toilet. This particular room is called the Vdara Suite with the fountain view. Now, if you're wondering how much it was to book this particular room, it was about $480. Now, it all depends on when you're booking, if it's an off season, if it's busy, you know, things like that come into play, as well as if you're trying to make it a little more special and you want a bigger suite, or if you want just a regular room and you're just trying to save some money where you can. They have hotel rooms ranging from anywhere from 180 to about, 500, 600, and then the really expensive ones can even go up to thousands. Keep in mind that does not reflect the resort fee, which they charge every night, and it's about $50 a night. Now, I'm sure you saw the washer and dryer. For those of you that want to wash your clothes, boom, there you have it. You got yourself a washer and dryer. Right next to that, they have the refrigerator, which is also very big. So if you're traveling with a family, this works out because you can store all your leftovers or all your food that you want to make in the room. You pretty much have a full-on kitchen. Now, you also have a little mini bar, and this is a little tricky. So if you do touch anything from this refrigerator, you will get charged because it is by weight. So if the weight shifts, then you are getting charged. So do not open this up unless you really are trying to get something. All right? Yes, word to the wise. Do not let your kids open this because it won't be very cute once you get that bill. So for all my people who like to cook and like to make things, this is the place for you because you got a full-on kitchen. Go wild, y'all. You got yourself a microwave, you got yourself a stove. You really have everything that you possibly need in the kitchen. Now, if you forgot your utensils, your plates, your cups, your pots, your pans, do not fret because they are one call away. You call them and you tell them what you need and they will be at your door like quickly clap. All right, y'all, I didn't want to have to do it, but let me drop some wisdom on you guys, okay? For those of you guys who are coming to Vegas and are trying to have a good time, but party a little too hard, what do you need? Cup of noodle. Boom! You got your microwave, you got your stove, you can boil the water, you can microwave your cup of noodle, whichever you want, but that thing will give you life, okay? And for those of you guys who are balling on a budget, yeah, bring you some, okay? You're welcome, y'all. All right, enough with the jibber jabber. Here we go into it again. You got your TV, you got all this storage space that you can fill up with your clothes. You got a little desk space, and you see those QR codes on your left on the TV. Everything is so easy due to COVID. You just scan away, you order your food, and bam, there you go. All right, y'all, the moment you've been waiting for, the view. Now, this view is of the Bellagio Fountains, hence the name Fountain View. Not Mountain View, not Mountain Dew, but Fountain Dew. Oh my, Fountain View. All right, y'all, forgive your girl. But anyways, so this is the view that I see from my window during the day. I will, however, put a nighttime view as well too because it looks totally different with everything lit up at night. No matter how many times I book this room or any room for that matter, this view never gets old. It is just so beautiful, especially at night, and you guys will see that soon. All right, so you see your remote here. They have a paper that says clean for your safety, so they make sure to sanitize everything. There's the storage space, and here, if you look, they have all your cables, your HDMI, your USB, whatever cables that you need. If you want to play games or whatever, you can go ahead and do so. And then, of course, they have more drawer space if you need it. Now, this living room area comes with a sofa, and that sofa actually turns into a sofa bed if you need it to. So if you're traveling with multiple people, you need an extra bed, just take that bad boy out, and there you go. Bam! You've got yourself a sofa bed. Now, if you need extra pillows and blankets and sheets and all that good stuff for your sofa bed, you just give them a call and they'll bring it right up. Or you can have them set up your sofa bed for you. It's just an extra fee due to COVID. So if you don't mind the fee and you want them to do it, go ahead and give them a call. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. It comes with a small window to see the view as well. It's not as nice as the view in the living room, but hey, at least you still have a little view, right? All right, so they have another television inside of the master, as you can see right here, and it comes with the same thing pretty much as the other side. They have the extra storage space, and then they also have the 3 drawers that I showed you outside, just in case you need some more drawer space. And let's go to the best part of the master, which is the bed. The bed is a king bed. Now let me tell you, if 2 people are sleeping on this bed, I promise you not. You will not have to touch each other at all, unless you're trying to touch each other, but you have that much space. Next to the bed, they have this tablet where you can look up information about the hotel, order food, all from the tablet. And what do you know? More drawer space. 2 more drawers to fill up with clothes or snacks or whatever you want to put inside. Whatever your heart desires. Alright, and here is that bed we were talking about. And next to each bed, as you can see at the top, there are 2 reading lamps that you can turn on if you need, as well as a phone on the other side of the bed, which I will show you in just a second. They also have the remote to turn on the TV and change the channels. And here is the phone that you'll be using to call room service, guest services, whatever you want to call. That's your phone. And what do you know? 2 more spaces. And if that wasn't enough, there's a closet. Okay, so you open up the closet. What do you see? You have yourself a safe. For those of you that need to use the safe, you go ahead and do your thing. You have blankets for the sofa. You have robes for yourself. You have all that good stuff, hangers, laundry bags, everything that you need inside of this closet. All right, moving on to the next best thing, the bathroom. Yes, it is. And for your privacy, you have a sliding door. So don't you fret if you're using up that bathroom and you want your own privacy, just slide that door. All right, that's enough privacy for now. Let's open that bad boy up and let's take a look. All right, so the first things first, you are going to see another closet. You can't get enough, man. There's closets everywhere. So if you open up that closet, it's just a mini little closet for you to hang your bathrobes or whatever you need in the shower. Then you got your beautiful bathtub. You can soak yourself in there. Put some little bubblies in there with your rubber ducky and call it a day. Alright, moving on to the shower. You got yourself a shower. You got yourself a little area where you can sit, put your leg up if you're shaving. Whatever you do in there, you got it. Alright, you got your toilets. You got another robe. You got not 1, but 2 sinks, y'all. They came prepared. Alright, then you have the vanity mirror against the wall if you need. You have everything that you need in that bathroom, okay? All right, that pretty much sums up the room. I just gave you a room tour of the Vdara suite with the fountain view. Not mountain view, not Mountain Dew, but fountain view. Oh, and before I forget, if you're looking for some ice, you can get it on your floor. Just look for one of these signs that say ice, and then it'll lead you to the door where you open it up and fill up your bucket of ice. Alright y'all, before I do end this video, I would like to show you, as promised, the view at night from my room. So here you have it. I know you can also see the sofa bed, so that's what it looks like from the reflection. Let me turn the lights off. So that is the breathtaking view I was talking about. This is how beautiful it gets at night when they light up the whole strip. Alright y'all, the moment you've been waiting for, last but not least, the beautiful Bellagio Fountains, y'all. With that being said, I would rate this hotel a 9 out of 10 because the location is great, you pay for what you get, and it just was amazing. I love this stay here, and I most definitely recommend you guys to stay here as well too. This is just a little teaser of what it'll look like when you come here to celebrate the New Year's. Alright y'all, it's about that time. Thank you for kicking it with your girl, DreloBayBay. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and like. And as always, subscribe, people. I'm out, y'all.